Well, today we're gonna be changing the door handle. Finally broke off. But first, I already have this one done. You're just gonna need a 10mm socket. One bolt here, one bolt here. Then you got this little bracket with it T30. Did I lock it again? Yeah. That one's done. You just put that back and latch it in. To put it in, you just slide it down, clip it. For this one, basically same thing. The only difference, you're probably gonna take that bolt that holds the key lock, and we'll see right now. All right, once you have it out, it's gonna be this bolt. I'm missing one, but that's okay. It's a 10mm too. Just remove it, and then you put it back. The damage. I mean, yeah, I was gonna change them either way. They were fading away. And if you're having trouble putting this one in, I just use a long 10mm. Put some tape so it can hold. It should make it easy. There you go, new handle, and it's working now.